Grant here with Smoov. Welcome back to the Daily Hack. 5-minute practice of playing around with this little bag of sand. Today we're going over the knee kick, and this is where I recommend people start their kicking practice. It's really accessible. It's something that shows up a lot of the time when you're playing, and it's a great way to control the bag. So all you're gonna do is toss the bag up, flex the hip, and drive it off the knee. So the best way to start with this is just one kick, right? So you kick it up, boom, catch. Kick it up, catch. And this way you can just focus on getting some good hits in. And if it's out of control, that's okay. Now, spend a little time doing that as I'm talking. Keep playing with your bag. If you want to progress, just add a kick. So 1, 2, catch. 1, 2, catch. 1, 2, catch. Now, because we want to get work on both sides, I'm going to start with that right knee and then go into the left, and then left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left. Okay? Yeah, spend some time doing that. When you're ready, add a third kick. 1, 2, 3, catch. 1, 2, 3, catch. Right, left, right, catch. Left, right, left, catch. Right, left, right, catch. Left, right, left, catch. Now, once you can string 3 together, try to add some more kicks to it. Right, left, right, left. And you can see, ideally I'd be having control of that bag, it's coming up and right down, but that's not really what's happening. I've got to move around my environment, respond to the bag, maybe throw a little foot kick in there. Just doing your best. Doing your best to keep this on the knees. And of course, if you want to progress the practice, start to incorporate more feet, I don't care. But I do find value in sticking with a particular task, especially early on. So, you can hear me, I'm getting out of breath. We're gonna call it there, but have fun with the knee kick. Let me know how it goes in the comments below. If you have any sort of creative ideas, creative progressions, I'm inviting you in on this process. So let me know in the comments. I need to take a breath. Stay smooth. I'll see you next time.